Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in today's video, we are going to see how can you unlock your parental controls on your Samsung TV. So these parental controls are basically you have logged the app. For that, you need to go to apps, and when once you go to apps, you can find settings. You need to go to settings, which is in the top right corner. So for example, if you have logged your YouTube, you need to scroll down and you can find lock or unlock option. You need to click on this. If you have already logged it, you can find unlock option. Click on unlock option and then you need to enter the pin which you had already set, or the default pin is 0000, and then click on unlock. So this will unlock the app on your TV. So even if the app doesn't unlock, you need to go to that app and then reinstall the app, which will automatically remove the parental controls. So that's all for the video. Thank you for watching. If you think that helped you in some way, do like, share, comment, and also do subscribe to this channel.